Let's go from this to this. Today I'll be decorating a cooking spoon I carved earlier. I'll be doing a little mushroom design on this one. This time some Boletus mushrooms. All I'll be using is a wood carving knife, Mora 106. In Kolrosing, no material is removed from the piece. Lines are cut in with the tip of a knife and then filled in with a powder that's used as a pigment. There are many things you can use for this, but what I use is finely ground coffee. Before filling in the lines, I treat the wood with linseed oil. This is food grade oil that's usually used in salads. It's also called flaxseed oil. It shouldn't be mistaken with boiled linseed oil, which is used for furniture and contains toxic additives. This is slow meditative work that will help ground you and slow you down. Even looking at it seems to have a calming effect. If you're interested in seeing how I carve the spoons, check out some of my other videos. I source the wood from storm falling timber I find on my hikes. You can see the whole process in my other videos. Well, I leave you to enjoy the rest of the video in silence. Pour yourself a cup of coffee or tea and enjoy it. Comment and let me know what you think of the end result. Thank you for watching.